guys, Talia here, founder of Workweek, and tonight we are going to make my favorite childhood meal, chicken schnitzel. With this meal, I have a salad that I made with extra salad greens. We also have some lovely sweet potato wedges that I just roasted perfectly. So now all I have left to do is the chicken. I defrosted one chicken breast and I cut it into these, flatter strips, which is kind of tricky to do. You definitely need to be comfortable with a knife in order to do that, but you want your chicken to be as thin as possible. Then I also have the egg wash here and breadcrumbs. These breadcrumbs are mixed with so many spices. We got cumin, turmeric, paprika, some Parmesan cheese. I got oregano and dill and salt and pepper. I just threw a ton of spices in there. So I wanted to just make it as flavorful as possible. All right, let's get started, guys. What I'm gonna do is turn on the heat. So you could do this with a non-stick pan. You could do it with a stainless steel pan. I'm using cast iron. I think that's just what I'm feeling today. We gotta heat it up really well so it's really hot. So for this meal, I'm going to use avocado oil in the cast iron pan over here. Very, very important. Always pat your meat dry before cooking, because if there's a lot of liquid, it won't get crispy. It'll just kind of boil in its own liquid and you won't get any color on it. After you pat it dry, you can add salt, and you want to add salt right before you cook it because, again, salt draws out moisture. So first, egg wash. Then in the breadcrumbs. By the way, this recipe I'm using is in the Workweek Lunch Meal Prep program for members, so you can sign up in my bio link for a free trial to get recipes like this. That's where all the ingredients are. So after that's done, now we're going to go over to the pan. So we are going to now carefully add in our chicken, and that's our first piece. Let's see what's going on under the hood. Oh yeah, we're getting some great color on this. Look at that gorgeous golden color right there. That is what we want for this chicken. Let's do another piece, shall we? So I've been cooking chicken for a while, and I can kind of just tell when it's good to go and it's kind of done. You can poke it. It's definitely not done yet. The general temperature for chicken should be 165 Fahrenheit, by the way. I just added that second piece. So I recommend reheating this in the toaster oven if you have one, or in the oven or under the broiler, which is what I would do. Is one done yet? Yeah, I think he's done. So once it's done, oh, look at that. Awesome, right? We're gonna transfer this one over to a paper towel just so it, can chill over there. This one's gonna cook a little bit longer. Let's do our last one. You can flip this one over, I think. Oh yeah, the other night, I was making a crumble or a baked good, and we had leftover egg wash. So we are just gonna bake it in a ramekin in the oven, and I'll have a little egg patty in the morning for breakfast. I want to garnish with some parsley. What do you think? Looks good, right? Take it over here. The other pieces. Exactly 20 minutes on the dot. So all I have to do is dress the salad, plate it up, and we are good to go. All right, signing off. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.